Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Workplace app on your phone in simple and easy way. Let's get started. First, open the Zoom Workplace app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in, you will see the home screen. Here you can choose to start a meeting, join a meeting, schedule one, and share a screen. To join class or meeting, tap on join. Now type the meeting ID your teacher or host gave you. Then enter your name and just tap join. Once you are inside, you will see yourself and others on the screen. At the bottom, you will see options mute or unmute your mic, start video to turn your camera on or off, share content like photos or your screen, and tap on more or three dot to access chat, raise hand or backgrounds. When the class or meeting is over, tap leave in the top right corner, then leave meeting to exit. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Zoom Workplace app on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.